If you're considering purchasing an AirTag, hold off. Apple is preparing to release a significantly improved version, marking its first major update in years. Here's what you need to know and when to expect it. Before diving into the latest leaks, if you want to stay updated on all things Apple, consider hitting that subscribe button. The first AirTag hit the market on April 30th, 2021, and for nearly 4 years, its hardware has remained unchanged. However, a second-generation model is about to launch, offering potential improvements. Whether this is an exciting upgrade or simply a chance to grab the original at a lower price depends on how you use it. Despite the lack of hardware updates, AirTags haven't been stagnant. Apple has consistently introduced new features, and in early 2024, they doubled the number of supported devices from 16 to 32. Let us know in the comments, how many items are you tracking in the Find My app? Is 32 enough for you? With iOS 17, Apple introduced AirTag sharing, making it easier for partners or family members to locate shared items. If you and your partner have each other's car keys, you can both track them effortlessly. Or, if you've attached an AirTag to your Apple TV remote, now everyone in the household can help find it. Even more recently, in the iOS 18.2 update, Apple introduced a feature that lets users generate temporary share links for their device's location. This is particularly handy for travelers. If you misplace an item or forget it somewhere, you can send the link to an Airbnb host, a restaurant staff member, or even one of Apple's partnered airlines. This makes it easier for them to track down your lost item and return it to you. Alright, that's enough context. Let's talk about AirTag 2. To start, the overall design isn't changing. While some have speculated that Apple might introduce different shapes, like a wallet-friendly card, there's no solid evidence backing this idea. All signs point to AirTag 2 looking nearly identical to the first-generation model. One expected modification will make it more difficult to remove the speaker. Some individuals have discovered ways to disable the AirTag sound to use it for tracking people without their knowledge, which is both unethical and illegal. Apple appears to be addressing this issue by making it tougher to detach the speaker, reducing the risk of misuse. The current speaker isn't particularly loud, and that's something Apple might improve, especially considering another rumored upgrade, extended range. While these details aren't confirmed yet, they come from reliable sources with a strong track record. It's been suggested that the range could expand to nearly 3 times its current limit. Right now, precision finding works up to about 30 meters, 98 feet, so under ideal conditions, the upgraded ultra-wideband UWB signal could potentially reach 295 feet. This improvement would come from a more advanced UWB chip, aligning the AirTag 2 with Apple's latest devices. On top of that, a newer chip could also lead to better battery efficiency. Another significant upgrade is its compatibility with Vision Pro. What might this entail? It could help locate lost items in 3D space with a floating arrow pointing to them. Or it could transform the AirTag into a motion controller with precise 3D tracking. So when will the new AirTag arrive? Speculation about a refreshed AirTag began in 2022, with renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reporting that its popularity had prompted Apple to develop a second-generation version. In 2024, Kuo reaffirmed this claim, stating that production would begin by the end of the year. Mark Gurman later supported this, noting that while Apple wasn't in a hurry, it was aiming for a May 2025 launch. That means we're now just about 3 months away from its expected release. It's a strong possibility that prices for current models will drop significantly as we approach that time. If having a longer range, improved battery life, and louder speakers isn't a priority for you, it might be a great opportunity to grab an AirTag 1. What's your take on this? Are you planning to buy discounted AirTags, or will you hold out for AirTag 2? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!